Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to make a pie chart size bigger in Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop Edition. And then I'm going to go to my Sheet 1 highlighted in orange. I'm going to drag the attribute name to columns and again select trick to rows. And I'm going to click on Show Me and select in the second row, the third option to the right, a pie chart. And I'm going to drag name to filters and select just the first three Pokemons and hit apply and OK. So now we can see this pie chart here is very small. To make it bigger, we can go up to the top where the filter here says standard, click on the drop down and we'll select entire view. And this would fit the pie chart to the entire size that we have currently here in sheet 1. And so there you have it. This is how you can make a pie chart much larger than the default in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.